Hey guys, it's Leyla Ariana. Today I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to do my hair for tomorrow for picture day. And today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use my Curlformers. Thank you so much Curlformer people for giving me this. I'm going to be using the spiral kit. This is the deluxe kit for extra long hair. And I'm also going to be using my soft
here.
The baby's here.
The baby's here. And what this does is it dries your hair. You have to put a blow dryer. There's like a little tube. And you have to put the blow dryer in there. And then you have to put it on your hair like that. Now let's get curl forming.
Okay, so Layla's hair has been washed and detangled already. And we used the By Made Beautiful shampoo and conditioner from the Inspire line. I'm gonna go ahead and take some water and just spray over her hair again. Then I'm gonna go ahead and use the Rizarco Milk Reparative Leave-In Conditioning Spray. This is from Briogeo. And I'm just gonna spray a little bit over her hair. So starting from the ends, I'm gonna go ahead and brush lightly. Now I'm going to go in with the By Made Beautiful. This is the Inspire line. And this is the Manageability Milk Styling Lotion. Alright, so now I'm going to go in with a little bit of the Main Magic. And this is the 10-in-1 Primer. And this is from Ava NYC. And I'm going to go ahead and start getting the Curlformers on. I'm just going to part this. I grab it directly from the root and make sure that her part is clean, because if it isn't and it gets tangled with other hairs, it will not go through the Curlformer and it would just get stuck. So you pop your Curlformer through the wand, and then you have a hook. Then you want to grab the hair from the root, use the hook to get it all in. I like to slide the Curlformer up, and then voila, it's done.
I have so much hair that this could be a while. So much that you'll need entertainment if you're like me. Wooka wooka entertained. This is the hood. I got mine in purple because I really like the color purple. So you put this over your head, and I think it fits all hair sizes, and it looks like a little elephant's what do you call it?
Trunk.
Yeah, trunk.
Okay, so we're gonna put this over Layla's head, and as she said, most hair sizes do fit in here. As you can see, it fits perfectly. Alright, so you just basically adjust it, tie it up.
Then you take the elephant trunk and grab your blow dryer. Now I'm going to turn it on and put it on warm. Alright, now it's time for me to go to sleep. Bye. Have a good night. Remember to watch my videos at Leyla Ariana. Thank you. Hey guys, good morning. It's picture day. I'm gonna sit with a soft tint on my head for 10 more minutes, and then when it's done, I'm going to take the Curlformers off.
This is the back of Layla's hair. This is the strand of hair that I just pulled and dried, but that one should be snapping back shortly as soon as it dries completely. But this is it. This is the finished look.
A huge thank you to Curlformers for sending me all these goodies. Bye. Make sure you follow me on Instagram and watch my videos if you haven't. Thanks again, guys. Bye.